Oh, hello YouTube. I'm on a I have this old lawnmower I kinda wanna fix up, it's my grandpa's. He gave it to me about 2 or 3 years before he passed away, and it's been sitting out here for about a year or so. It has some problems. The carburetor stops up, and the pull start is stuck on it. So I'm gonna see what I can do with it to get it running again. I think it's like an 83 or something. That's an old ass, an old lawnmower. See it? It's just kind of all fucked up to it. Doesn't have the spark plug in it. I don't know what kind of what's all wrong with it now. The engine's probably seized to it. I hope it's not, but no, it's a good little project. Bye for now.